Now students, sound of U. Read the words aloud. Now, sounds of U. Read the words aloud. Now let's read words having UB. Cub, dub, rub, hub, pub. Now words having UD. Bud, cud, thud, dud, mud. Now words having UG. Dug, bug, hug, jug, rug. Now words having UT. Nut, butt, hut, cut, put. Now words having UN. Bun, fun, gun, sun, none. Now words having US. Bus, fuss, fuss, rus, tush. Now read and rhyme. So students, now read with me. This is Mun. Mun has a bun and a gun. Meet the nun in the sun. Mun made a fun in the sun. Now students, let's practice. Match the following. So students, here you can see some sentence and here you can see some pictures. You have to match them with each other accordingly. Now we have name the pictures. So students, here you can see some pictures. You have to first observe them very carefully and then name them in the given blank. Now we have complete the following. So students, here you can see some words. They are not arranged. You have to first arrange them and then make a word with them. So here you can see S plus U plus N is equals to sun. So students, you have to do all these questions according to first question. Now match the picture to the correct word. So students, you have to match the picture. You have to first observe the picture, then read the word and match them with the correct picture. Now write two words each ending in the given sounds. Take help from the box. So students, here are given some words. These are ending words. You have to make two words by using these ending words. Now students, it is a rhyme time. So let's read the poem. Its name is Water Nose. So, an elephant walks like this and that. He is terribly tall and terribly fat. He has no fingers, he has no toes, but goodness gracious, what a nose. Elephant's nose is called a trunk. Students, do you know elephant nose is called a trunk?